Alright, on Dessert Thursday, I'm going to be making ramen noodles with Nutella and Oreo cookies and a little bit of sprinkles on top. Let's get started. First thing you're going to need is ramen noodles. Alright, I have ramen noodles, chicken flavor, and I'm just going to open up the pack. Alright, and pour the ramen noodles into the ramen noodle cooker, and then I'm going to have some chicken flavor. The chicken flavor is optional if you want to add the chicken flavor. I like to add a little bit of chicken flavor to my ramen noodles when I'm having it with Nutella and Oreo, so I'm going to add a little bit of chicken flavor. Not too much, just for a little bit of flavoration of the chicken powder. Alright, and then I'm going to take the ramen noodles, pour the crunchies in there. Maybe eat a crunchy. I eat a crunchy. It's up to you. All right, I like raw crunchies. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some water, pour some water on top of the ramen noodles up into the line, and I am going to cook my ramen noodles for 3 minutes and 29 seconds. Absolute goodness, in the microwave. All right, after 3 minutes and 29 seconds, I pull out my ramen noodles, and then I am going to drain the ramen noodles of about 97% of the free-flowing water out of the ramen noodles. All right. See, there's a little bit left. There's 3% left in there. All right. So once you drain your noodle, you're going to take some Nutella and take a couple of spoonfuls of Nutella and just slop it on top. Slop, 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 slop it on top. All right. And then put it right there. And then you're going to take your Oreo cookies, open them up, make sure they're open face like this, and then place them down like this. Very important that you do that step right here. Open them up, open face, place them down like that. All right, once you do that, you're just going to take your fork, press down on the cookie so you crunch it, and then stir it with the Nutella. All right, just like that. All right, absolute goodness right there. All right, and it melterates all the way through, just like that. Look at all the chocolatiness, the texturation, the chocolate, the Oreo cookie nation, the chicken flavor, the noodle. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.